Hello, this is Craig at Countryside RV in Colfax, Iowa. We're going to do a quick video walk around and show through on a Avenger ATI 29 RBS. Avenger is made by Primetime Manufacturing, which is a division of Forest River. This is a 2018 model. And we'll just go up here real quick and show you your exterior storage. Very ample storage space on there. This does have manual jacks. Here's our outside power awning on this. It does have the LED light strip under the awning. You can see that up in there. And over here we've got our outside kitchen area with 2-burner stove and sink. Outside shower on the back corner, spare tire. That's got a prep for backup camera on it. And that's the propane hookup for the stove right there. Come around inside and you're going to see this is a rear bunk model. So it has the queen up front along with a nice bunk room in back, which we'll get to in just a second. But kitchen, booth dinette, sofa. This is a full hide-a-bed sofa, so it does fold out completely and would sleep 2 adults. TV is included on this model. We just don't store them out in the units. Queen bedroom in here. Come around. Now we'll get back to the bathroom and the bedroom, bunk room. Come right in here. Pretty typical bathroom for a bunkhouse model. There is some nice storage throughout. Obviously you can tell I am a professional camera person. No, I'm kidding. This is all done on a phone, folks, so I apologize for the very tight shots and shakiness. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 back here, and a nice little spot there. Again, this is an Avenger 29 RBS by Primetime Manufacturing. It's available at Countryside RV near Colfax, Iowa. You can see us online at csrvsales.com. Thank you so much. Call us or email us with any questions.